Let's run BP Sales Master field by field, shipping data tab, delivery priority in S4 HANA Sales. Let's try to check delivery priority. The first thing is that, so for example, we have, uh, so based on delivery priority, we'll try to, allocate the stocks and we'll give priority to the delivery preference for the customer actually. Okay, let me try to show you this one. This is the same field available in ECC. Okay, so let's go to the BP master. We'll try to check with some example this one, how it works. So, so for example, if you go inside, let me try to choose the rule. Okay, this is the role actually. Okay, so let's go to the sales and distribution, go to the shipping tab. Here comes your delivery priority. Okay, for example, we have three priorities. One is for high, and second one is for normal, and third one is for low actually. Okay. So if someone put sales order, okay, on the same day, high priority customer and normal priority customer and low priority customer. For example, low priority customer first created a sales order. Uh, then a normal priority customer created a sales order next, and high priority customer created a sales order on the same day, okay, after some time. Let me try to explain you this example so that you can better understand. Okay, we have a three customers here. Okay, for all these three customers, you will have a different delivery priorities. For example, if you come here in this BP, okay, so what is this delivery priorities? One for this BP. Okay, so for 31. Okay, I'll show you how to define and all. Don't worry about that one. Okay, let's come here. So he is a high priority customer. Okay, let's assume if someone is uh, maybe like this guy is low priority and this one is normal. So, okay, okay, or else you put it this one as normal. I'll just try to take this one as low. Okay. So now if you look at this for all these customers, don't worry, don't confuse with PP versus and customer. This is customer role. So this is the customer basically. So assume that so he created today is what 18/11/2024 on the same day. Okay. So let's take an example. On the same day, these three people created some material. For example, if you take X material, the stock is available 150. Okay. First low priority customer created with 100 quantity, and next normal priority customer created with 30 pieces, 30 kgs or whatever we call 30 kgs assume, and high priority again put the order this. Okay. This is first sales order, and this is second sales order, and this is third sales order. As per delivery date, if you compare all these three customers, but even if low priority customer is created sales order first also, okay. So among all these three, if you compare that, since this guy is a high priority customer, stock supposed to be allocated for this customer. But naturally, when I try to explain this at a system level, for example, if you created three orders, order one, order two, order three open sales orders, okay. So for the three open sales orders, if you run VL10A or VL10C for collective delivery creation, it is not going to allocate automatically. Why it is not going to allocate automatically? Because it's a standard behavior. But what is the advantage of delivery priority as of now? Okay. So for example, if you are, for example, this guy is a low priority customer. Okay. But he required a stock with so urgency because it's a festival season. Normal times he is a low priority customer. So, but he required the stock immediately, okay, due to festival season. So in festival season, so high priority customer become like a low priority customer, and normal priority customer become also low priority customer, and this guy will become high priority customer. In sales order level, we can, based on the stock availability, we can able to change manually. That possibility is there always. Okay. So how to define this delivery priority? And let's try to see some sample run actually. So now you have a question. What is the advantage for me if it is not automized? You can able to automate. It has a possibility. So that I will try to show you in the last one. User exit is there. Okay. With the help of the ABAP, you can able to make it automate based on your delivery priority. That is different story. Let's try to check how to define delivery priority, how it works. For example, if you take this customer, we're supposed to define another priority. Okay. In one of my project also, one of the customers requested, they required 5 priorities. Okay. So like, currently it is available in standard. 3 is available, like a high, normal, low, like that. If you want, you can able to define up to 255 priorities. That's what the system allows. Okay. So now let's go to SPRO reference MG. I'm just showing you, but we'll use standard only as of now. So where we can able to define, let's go to the master data, business partner, customers, and let's go to the shipping. This is the place where you will define your priorities. So you can able to define a production priority along with this. Okay. Maybe I can do like this. Okay. Or I'm just defining this is very high. Okay. And measure. I'm just defining these 2 priorities for reference. Okay. Got it right? So totally 5 we have. Okay. Like that we can able to define it. So let me try to make it SPRO. So not SPRO. Let's go to the BP now. Okay. So for this BP, who is the customer? The customer is 31. Okay. So 31 is high as per our sheet. Okay. So now let's go for 6 for this normal, for 4 for low. So let's come back. You can able to do it on your own way. I'm just trying to show you. So now let's go to the BP partner as this one. For this, the customer is 34 and this is normal I'm defining. Okay. So this is something like 02. This is 01 and this is 03. Let me try to make it the change as a text. Okay. Now do it again 02 and this is 01 and this is 03. Okay. So 2 also we defined. Let's try to make it. And the second one, let's try to mark with different color. Okay. So this, let's try to mark with another color for reference. Okay. Then take it this one. So now let's go back. So now let's try to. Okay. So this guy is 33. I want not this customer. I want the 4. Okay. For 33, I'll make this versus shipping and let's try to make it this one as low. Okay. Let me try to make a comparison. Our data is correct or not. For 33 low, and this one is high, and this one. Let's try to create one sales order. I'll try to tell you how we have to allocate it, what is the bottleneck, and let me try to explain you all these things. First, let's create one sales order with any one of the customer actually. So how the delivery priority will be copied, let me try to explain you. So we'll take, so this person 31 is, so it will be always available in your item level. Okay, let's make it double click, go to the shipping. You can able to see this guy is high priority customer. Okay, if you really want, you can able to change it to your own priority. For example, I would like to change it very high priority. High priority is like, within 4 to 5 hours, you're supposed to allocate stock. Very high means you have to allocate within next hour actually. This, you have a choices, right? So this, how you can able to tell to the system, okay? How you can able to do it. Let's go for the delivery. So let's check stock is available or not. That is different story. So let's go to the picking. Let's do the picking. Okay. And let's do the PCA. This is how you can able to do it. I'm not going to do any billing. Let's see collectively one scenario for this. Okay. Now, first we'll try to check the stock actually. Okay. Let's go to MMB. Okay. This is the material we'll consider for our scenario. I'll try to explain a few things. For example, here the stock is available 270. Okay. Mm, let's try to do one thing. Let's try to go back. Okay, what is our inventory says? So here, so like, if you would like to do available to check either sales order level or else delivery level, it is not going to set the stock based on your priority. That is the thing is there. If you would like to do that, for that one SAP note is there. At the end of the session, I will explain you this. Okay, now let's try to see. We'll just try to do the delivery and PCA based on the ascending or descending order. Okay, descending means from 03 to 02, 01 like that. You can able to do it. How you can able to do it, that I will show you by using VL10A transaction. Okay, what is the bottleneck with this VL10 star transaction? That also I will explain you. Okay, so now let's see. So what is the stock you have? You have a stock of 270. Okay. This whole 270, for example, first low priority customer ordered 150. Next, normal priority customer order another 100. Next, this guy is ordered by 100. As per the rule, if you would like to implement user exit or else some note, it is going to reset the stock actually based on the priority. But here we don't have the choice to explain. But manually, there is something V underscore RA. By using that, you can able to cancel and you can able to reset the stock. That is different story. Okay. So let's see this on SAP system. Let me share the screen. Okay. Let's try to create a sales order first. Let me try to check the BPs, whether priority is allocated or not. One is 4. Okay. For this customer. So let's go to the shipping. The priority low allocated. Yeah, I think I have done the allocation. So now let's try to create an order. Okay. The first one is the customer is like, low priority customer I'm creating with 150 stock. So, okay, low priority. Okay, let's take the material. Let's put it 150. Okay, so here, yeah, okay, I think that is bad stock. Let's do the stock posting for this scenario. Okay, so initially I made it DRP1. Okay, so let's go to the Migo quickly. Hmm, so let's do it 270 kgs. And from where? This is the plant and this is the storage location. Check and post. That's it. Now let's see how the things work. Let's create a sales order quickly. So let's take the low priority and let's take 150 stock. You can able to see this stock is picked for 150, and if you go back and schedule ends, it is got confirmed. Okay. If you really wanted to see this also, you can able to see the in shipping tab on the same day, almost the next day it is given the, okay. So this is a low priority customer. Okay. Let me try to show you in display mode. So if we double click here in shipping tab, okay, first we created 150 stock for low priority. Next, let's try to create one more order. Okay, so let's go for this customer. Okay, so he is a normal customer as per our sheet. Let me try to show you once again. So 34 is a normal customer. Okay, let's try to go back and let me enter the material. Okay, for a normal customer it is, so how much I have taken? Again 100, 100, 100. Okay, okay. Let me take 100 the stock. Okay, this is also confirmed. It seems because of stock availability. Let's save it. Okay, let's try to run the next order for high priority customer. Now let's raise another 100 stock for high priority customer. Say the stock, it is already allocated at 250 for low and normal. That's why it is saying 20. But if you would like to allocate it, there is another separate process and standard, but you cannot able to, you see what happens when you create all these sales orders. For example, stock is allocated, low priority created today and high priority created after 4 days. Okay. So you're running so your delivery job for stock allocation and the delivery follow to that PGI job in real time, two background jobs if you are running uh, at the weekend. So high priority customer stock supposed to be allocated. So what happens? So there should be a process of automation, or else in standard, you have to run one back order job to reallocate the stock. Okay, I'm not going to show that scenario. Okay, so let's try to confirm this stock for high priority. So for example, if you go to VL10A, okay, how the sorting will happens, that is the thing I would like to show you. Okay, for example, if you remove this, let's run this. Okay, so it takes a few seconds. Oh God, I don't want all these orders. Let's run by material actually. If I give material, this is the material. So we got all these orders. If you look at this, see 321, 321, two sets it came, right? Based on the goods issue date. Okay. For example, if you go to the layout, okay. So let's go to the sort order. This is the place where you are going to sort it. Okay. Let's put the delivery priority here. Okay. So delivery priority either ascending or descending. Let me put it this one as descending. Okay. So how system behaves, you will see this. See now the all the uh, what I would say top high priority orders came to the top. Actually, this is how it happens. So before creation of the delivery, you have to run what I would say V underscore REA. Okay, that is for your rescheduling. I'm not going to discuss about that one. Just we'd like to deliver these two ones. So let's save this and click on background. So it is going to create a log now for all these three orders. See, two benefits. One, priority you can able to change manually, high to low, low to medium or something like that, not in master data in the sales order level, transaction level. And second one is what I would say, uh, you can able to automate it. I will show you the SAP note, that one. Okay. So you can able to see this, the how the, so let me show you this one. Okay. So 92369 and okay, log is got created. So you got, if you have errors, you can able to see the note. So if the stock is shortage, okay, it will not be work. So let's go to the documents first. What are all got created? So we created these three. Okay. So let's try to take this group number. How to do the picking also, I will show you this one. Okay. So either individually you can able to do it. For example, if you select this, let's click on the display document. Okay. Let's go to the change mode. Let's do the picking. So based on priority, it is got merged actually. Okay. So this is one thing. And let's go for this display document again. With this, you can able to learn how the collective delivery processing works also. Okay. Let me show you the PZA also. Post goods issue. Okay. And let's try to display the document again. Individually, you can able to do it, or else we have something called VL06P is the transaction is there. There also you can able to run the background. If you have warehouse relevant stock is there, since it is storage location stock, you can able to do it manually like this. Okay. So this is how you have to do the PZA. Now let's copy this group number. Let's do the, so now you can able to do it uh, individually also. So I have created manually. For example, this is also another way. I'm just showing you here. For example, it is already done PCA. That's why let me try to. So once you save that before without doing PCA for goods issue, if you go there and if you give the group number and let's give your shipping point, let's remove the dates because based on the group number we are doing now. So it will show you. Okay, now no delivery selected. Why no delivery selected? I have already done manually. Okay, if you wanted to see this one or else PF04. Okay, so let's try to. mm, I don't want to do any billing. Let's try to check VA03. VL03M. Okay, so this, if I go to the doc flow, so this is what I have done. These two orders got integrated here. Okay, so when I try to open 689, okay, so what is the priority? High priority. You know how high I mentioned in the subject also. Okay, let me show you again. So this is the high priority. So there what happens, let me try to explain out of the rest of the explanation. Only sorting you can able to do it, but automatically stock allocation, if you wanted to do it based on what I would say, uh, stock allocation based on the priority, you have to implement one SAP note. Okay. So how do you do that? Let me try to open one SAP note. If you would like to automate it, you can able to see this delivery priority not considered during delivery creation with VL10 star, means VL10A, 10B, 10C, 10D, whatever is the transaction you take. Okay. So if you really wanted to based on priority, see, be careful while reading the words based on the delivery priority. If you would like to auto allocation, if you would like to do it. Okay. So generally what happens, so he's how to reproduce the issue, he raised SAP note. So what is the solution you got it? You have to implement this SAP note. Okay. This is the your exit program, user exit underscore sort underscore all packages. In that package also, like, it need to be changed from 2 to 2 and 9. Actually, from 2 to 9 it's supposed to be changed. For 9 they can able to write some code actually. Okay. So LP RIO means your delivery priority. As of now in standard, it is happening based on your sorting is happening based on your date, what I would say, delivery date or PCA date or also some other parameters, but you don't have sorting actually. Okay. There is another way also there. Okay. For manual allocation by using slash and V underscore RA. At the time of rescheduling, we'll discuss this one. Okay. So what we can able to do it manually, we will cancel, and we will cancel the stock from low priority and we'll try to reallocate it for high priority and normal priority based on the available stock actually. Okay. So now you can able to see this. Now I cannot able to do it. We don't have any open orders. Okay. If you have open orders, let's check if anything is there. Mm, so this is material. And then we have three. If something is there, we can able to reset it, but I don't think so. Let me copy a material. So you have one open order is there. Well, suppose if you have like two or three orders are there. Okay, select all, click on back orders. How many back orders we have? Let's see, for 100 quantity. This is a manual process, but actually if you take like one or two orders, or else maximum 10 orders, you can able to reallocate the stock. But if you have thousands of orders, hundreds of orders from different countries, a lot of criteria comes into picture. Such a case, you cannot able to do this manual back order process. In real time also, you will have they will schedule a job actually. Okay. So I just activated advanced ATP, so I cannot able to do this one as a process. So let's see, like at the time of discussing backorder process, but this is the delivery priority field, how it works. I think you can understand why we cannot able to auto allocate because of this SAP node supposed to be implemented. This user exit supposed to be implemented, then only it will work for sorting and all those stuff that you can try in real time with the help of app actually. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best. Let's catch up in next field in shipping. Have a great day.